Hello everyone, on this video let's see how you can set up the static int function block, which is available through our U2 library. So let's go into our user PRD and grab a new empty box. And let's assign the static underscore int. So basically what this function block is going to do, it will bring some informations about an input here that can be an analog input. It can bring the minimum, the maximum, and calculate an average value for this input. So you can basically use this to filter noise analog input, if that's your case. So I'm going to declare a variable called static int signal. I can have a reset, and I don't want to declare the output variables, so I'm just deleting the interrogation marks. Let's log into our simulator. So you can see here that my input is now 0, so all my output parameters are 0, 2, the mean, the maximum, and the average value. Let's write 50. So the value 50 is now my new maximum value. So I can register this value and show in some HMI or some SCADA. And here the function block is actually calculating the average value for my input. So I can basically filter some noise signal that is coming from analog input and show them in a HMI or a SCADA.